Alright, what's good people? Tech Jamo. Obviously, man is out here in the Mario t-shirt and ting. Don't know. Man's got the Mario pants and that. Don't know. Because obviously, we're unboxing the big boy things today, fam. We got the Mario Nintendo Switch, the red and blue version. And we also got the Steelbook case and Mario 3D World to unbox. So, let's get to it. Fam, it's been a minute since I have popped open a new Nintendo Switch. Listen, my first Nintendo Switch, yeah? When I first got that, March the 3rd, 2017, outside Asda at 12 o'clock mid. Let me get my thing. Fam, when I tell you my old Nintendo Switch is dusty out here, fam. Look at, where's my air vents? Please tell me where my air vents have gone. Air vents are done out here. Obviously, man, customize the back. I'm probably gonna do the same to this new Switch. But yeah, my old Switch is just dusty. The normal Joy-Cons are gone. They broke a long time ago with all that Joy-Con drift. I had Joy-Con drift before it was even a thing, fam. So yeah, man has the young Split Pad Pro from Hori. Don't know, I'll put a link to where you can get these in the description section below. But anyway, we're not talking about that right now. Not even sponsored by Hori. We're trying to unbox this thing. Man's out of breath. Boom. You already know what the situation is with the Nintendo Switch unboxing. So let's have a look. Fam, when I tell you it has been a while since I've held a new Nintendo Switch, fam. Oh my days. Oh, the Joy-Con rails are on there properly. USB-C port is looking nice. The actual air vents are still there, fam. Mad thing. It's embarrassing. It's embarrassing. Look at that, fam. Look at, fam, where is my game cartridge cover going? Where? What's this black stand for? What's going on here, fam? Why have we not got a red colored stand to match the rest of the console? Anyway, is the stand still dead? Is it still... Oh, this is a bit strong, you know? It used to be bare dead, like it used to be easy to snap off, but that should be all right. Yeah. That stand is okay, cool. Anyway, let's get on to the Joy-Cons. Right, you've got your Joy-Con right-hand side. Obviously, it's just, you know, normal Joy-Con ting. Probably still has that young Joy-Con drift situation going on, so we'll just put that down there. Then you got your left Joy-Con. Yeah, looks nice. It's just red. Nothing really exciting going on there, to be honest. But ooh, we got a little carry case going on in here. Now we got got a blue side, got a red side to the young carry case. Open that up, and you got a little bit for your game cartridges. It looks like you got some accessories that you can put in there and ting. And it's all just Mario themed, like me. Okay, even come with a little screen protector thing, if you guys want to see that. Little screen protector for the Nintendo Switch. I didn't even know they did that with the Nintendo Switch. Next in there, we've got one of the Joy-Con grip holder things, fam, with the little piece of string on it, the little lanyard thing. These are sick themed, fam. Like, look at this. You got the little Mario thing going on there. You got this little yellow thing going on there. And then you got the blue Joy-Con grips. Fam, these look sick. These actually look sick. Look at that, pre-that. Oh, you got some instructions for the Nintendo Switch case and the screen protector. So obviously, if you don't know how to use a case or a screen protector, you can read about it, innit? Ah, here's the other Joy-Con grip rail thing, you know, obviously in that young swag. Fam, I'm gonna have to just wear this t-shirt all day. Right, what else we got going on in here? Okay, we got the Joy-Con grip. Fam, so we got a nice blue Joy-Con grip there. Obviously, it's not got any battery in it and it won't charge Joy-Cons, but it just looks nice with the red Joy-Cons. So I'll take the Joy-Cons off of this. I'm not used to my Nintendo Switch giving me resistance when I'm taking off the Joy-Cons because my Nintendo Switch is old as hell. It literally chucks the Joy-Cons at you, fam. I understand, fam. Look at it with the t-shirt. Look at, fam. And Nintendo don't sponsor me, so it's alright, but it's cool. And we got HDMI cable, young HDMI cable. Got young power supply ting. That young dock, fam. Boy, I don't know if the docks used to be this thick and good quality, but this feels substantial. Now, I'm not gonna keep my dock because I don't really need another dock. So I'll probably put this on eBay. If you guys are interested, check the link in the description section below. But yeah, that's the dock, obviously. Pop off the back like so. Got all those ports in the back there. Boom, there. All looks nice, fam. Then we got these two bad boys right here. Right, so guys, I don't know how many of you had the Wii U. It was quite a failure of a console, but even though it was a failure, it had a few good games, and Super Mario 3D World was one of them, fam. I remember playing this with my little girl for time. We completed all the missions, and I went back and collected all of them stars, because you know we got the OCD going on like that. But anyway, this is the same game, but it's essentially got a DLC thing to it called Bowser's Fury. Now, I haven't watched too much about what you need to do in that DLC, but that's how it got, innit? That's how it goes. We're gonna have to unbox the thing, make sure it's not a download code. We want that physical game. Okay, physical game, but no booklet. Why is Google? Physical game, no booklet. Cool. Then we got the young steelbook thing. Okay, so if a man pops this open, it's got basically the same art as the actual case does. But I guess you just get this with like the limited edition thing, I don't know. But boom, empty, completely empty, no booklet or anything in that. They could give you like a little booklet or something with this. So you're like, yes, I've got the steelbook thing. But all you can really do with this is get your game and then slap it in the steelbook case and then close it and live your best life. Boom. But anyway, yeah guys, my table's a complete mess now, but that was just a little quick overview of what you're getting with the new Nintendo Blue and Red Mario Edition that's come out with Mario 3D World. So yeah, that's it. Like and subscribe and join me on the streams. I'll put the stream links to my Twitch and everything in the description section below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bless out!